Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today, it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. All right, as I said earlier, Sweet Project Cars here with an awesome fix. If you have delaminated plastic, doesn't matter what it is, this happens to be a wall plug right here. Same thing that you get on a dash. A lot of the foreign vehicles, BMW, Audis, and Mercedes get this. And it's really sticky. Take this piece here, stick it on there. You can almost lift it up. You can move it just by pulling on that. See that? It's really sticky. You can make it look like this when you're done. See how beautiful that is? And that was just a quick do. It wasn't a lot of time spent on that. This is the only way you're going to clean this garbage off. And like I said, it works on your car dashes, everything. All you do is take your old 99 and best spray bottles ever, spray a little of this on, and wipe it clean. Watch this. And as it dries, it turns back to the original color that it was. See how dirty it is? It's delaminated plastic. Once you get all that garbage off and it dries, you take your homemade 303, and it will not happen again. Just make sure you use your 303 as often as you can, usually once every 3 months. And then I like to let the 303 set on there for a while, and then wipe it off with a microfiber. So we'll let that set and let it absorb back into the plastic. So I would let it set on your dash for at least half hour, and then just buff it off lightly with your microfiber. And it'll look beautiful. It's as smooth as a baby's rump. Hope this helps you guys and gals.